There are two ways to run the program. One way to use an online cloud service like Google Colab, Kaggle, or something else with GPU, or you use Anaconda environment to run it natively on the system. For this video, let's use Google Colab to run the code. So we can also use this file to run it natively on the system, tutorial.ipynb. We can open it with Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. So yeah, we can open this. Be sure to choose proper kernel. It's YOLO, and then run it from here. Prerequisites. Ignore these two. These two are only for Google Colab. So let's try Google Colab. I've stored all the file inside the Google Drive. These are all the project files. Open this tutorial.ipynb. You will open this file in Google Colab. Right here. Open it in Google Collaboratory. So this command basically mounts our Google Drive to this Google Colab environment. So we'll have content, drive, and here's our drive. Colab notebook. Here's the project folder. What we need to do is next to copy this object detection folder and paste it in this environment. So this command does that, and we'll have this folder then, object detection. Next is to install the requirements. We can just run it. This file will run requirement.txt and install all the required libraries. We can check which GPU is being used from here. Next is to use we can install this library to download YouTube videos. This command will show up all the formats available for download for a particular video. This is the same video as source, 53-minute video of 4K that we'll process. So here we want to, let's say we want to use this one 4K. We can use this one 313 and then link. So it will download this 4K file. Be sure not to use this one AV01. It's not supported in OpenCV. We can use VP9 or AVC1. These two are supported. If we are using WebM instead of MP4, we'll have to change its format extension to MP4. So after downloading, this one, it's in WebM format, so I've changed it extension here. Move command will rename the file from WebM extension to MP4 and store it inside a folder called source video. This one. After it's done, we can just run this last file. We can select which model we want to use. Inside weight folder we have all these small, medium, large and extra large. Small would work fine. And here's the location of video, source video, and then file name .mp4. It will take quite some time. After it's done, it will show up the max time and min time and average time based on the GPU. So higher end GPU would run the program much quicker than this one. This is more of a free tier GPU. It's run pretty slow.